After waiting so long, I finally have 100,000 of you trusting me with some of your precious time for viewing automotive content. I'm truly humbled and honored, and I'm very excited to share this moment together. Today I'm going to be unboxing more than a scanner. It's something we've earned together. Now let's get this. And so let me open this up. I'll take away this small card. Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We're honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. If your award was damaged during shipping or if you have any questions, please contact us at youtubecreator@societyawards.com. Society Awards is YouTube's partner for shipping out awards to content creators, and we have a letter from YouTube. Do you remember your first subscriber, your 100th, or your 1000th subscriber? Chances are you do, and we definitely know you remember your 100,000th subscriber. Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learned about you through a friend, or maybe you showed up as a recommended video. No matter how they came to your channel, your audience stayed and their numbers increased because of you and the community you've built. We're proud to honor your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations. We know that you have many more stories to share with your community, and we know your fans can't wait for you to amaze them even more with your commitment and creativity. So keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you'll do next, and we're here to support you all the way. And who knows, when you reach your millionth subscriber, we may just write to ask, do you remember your 100,000th subscriber? Yours sincerely, Neil Mohan, YouTube CEO. That's a lot to take in. Thanks, YouTube. Thanks, guys. And then the plaque. Presented to DIYAutoworksNG for passing 100,000 subscribers. This really means a lot to me, and I'd like to take the time to thank all of you for subscribing, commenting, correcting, liking, sharing, and for those of you that even went as far as dropping me a super thanks. This award really is for all of us. I couldn't have gotten here if you didn't care to subscribe. The love and trust that you guys have put on me just keeps me going. Also, my deepest gratitude to my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ, without whom I wouldn't have been able to make any video. Do watch out for the 2025 giveaway. It's going to be big, and I'll appreciate it so much if you could leave a comment down below. Let me know what else you want on the channel or how you think I could improve. And once again, thank you so much for subscribing and trusting in me. Catch you on the next one. Peace.